Ready to transform your garage? Watch how we turn this tired, stained floor into something truly spectacular. Our team arrives prepared with an industrial-grade concrete grinder and a powerful dust-controlling vacuum, ready to give this floor a complete transformation.
Here, Eric begins the grinding process, creating a proper surface profile. This step is critical, ensuring our epoxy system adheres with maximum strength and durability.
Next, we repair any visible cracks and surface blemishes. This preparation is the foundation of a seamless, flawless finish. With the surface ready, we roll on the first coat of high-performance epoxy, immediately breathing new life into the floor. After the first coat cures, we address any remaining imperfections that may have reopened, ensuring no flaw goes uncorrected. Now it's time for the second epoxy coat, followed by a full broadcast of decorative color flakes. These not only add texture and visual appeal, but also enhance traction and durability. Once the epoxy is fully cured, we begin the refinement process by scraping the surface to remove any excess flakes that didn't settle into the coating. This step ensures a smooth, even texture across the entire floor. Next, we use our industrial vacuum system to thoroughly clean the surface, removing all loose chips, dust, and debris. What we're left with is a beautifully textured, fully bonded flake layer that's clean, solid, and ready for its final protective coat. To complete the transformation, we apply a high-performance, UV-stable polyaspartic top coat. Using a precision squeegee followed by a back-rolling technique, we spread the coating evenly across the surface, ensuring full coverage and a uniform finish. This top coat is more than just a final touch. It's a powerful layer of protection designed to resist yellowing, abrasion, chemical spills, and hot tire pickup. The result is a sleek, glossy finish that not only enhances the look of the floor, but also extends its durability for years to come. If you're ready to enhance your home, improve your garage, and add lasting value to your property, it starts with a floor built to perform and impress. Trust the pros at Trico Painting to deliver expert craftsmanship, premium materials, and the peace of mind you deserve. Call today for your free quote and take the first step toward a garage you'll be proud to show off.